Liza Soberano pak na pak sa pagrampe sa SAG Awards, nakakaiyak ang ganda. Matapos bumida sa first ever Hollywood film na, Lisa Frankenstein, rumampa naman ang aktres na si Liza Soberano sa kauna-unahan niyang Screen Actors Guild, SAG Awards. Para sa kaalaman ng marami, ang SAG Awards ang isa sa pinakamalaki at prestihiyosong award-giving body sa Hollywood film industry. Sa Instagram, proud na ibinandera ni Liza ang kanyang stunning look bago rumampa sa nasabing event. Ang kanyang suot ay isang two-toned gown na mula sa pre-fall 2024 creation ng fashion designer na si Pamela Roland. My first SAG Awards, thanks for having me. Masayang caption ng actress kalakip ang pictures na ipinapakita ang simple but elegant niyang gown. Sa pamamagitan naman ng Instagram stories ni Liza ay ibinida niya ang ilang special moments and experiences sa loob ng venue. Naging seatmate pa nga niya ang American comedian and actress na si Sherry Cola, pati ang American actress na si Ollie Cravello na nagbigay buhay sa karakter ng Disney princess na si Moana at recently lang ay tampok sa bagong movie na Mean Girls. Ibinahagi rin ng Pinay actress ang ilang clips kung saan nagsasalita sa stage ang ilang bigating Hollywood stars kabilang na sina Meryl Streep, Anne Hathaway, Emily Blunt, Margot Robbie at America Ferrera. Bukod dyan, tila naging head-turner din si Liza nang mapili siya na maging parte ng glambot coverage ng E! Entertainment. Maraming fans at netizens naman ang super proud kay Liza dahil ayan na nga at unti-unti na niyang natutupad ang pangarap na maging isang Hollywood star. Narito ang ilan sa mga nabasa natin sa comment section. She's living the Hollywood dream, red heart emoji. Congrats Hopi on your first ever SAG Awards, folded hands emoji. Nakakaiyak ang ganda, that's awesome, was watching to see if I could spot you in the audience, anyways, congrats at Liza Soberano, you're living your dream, sparkling, heart emojis. So gorgeous you slay Hollywood star, sparkling emoji. So happy at proud of you Hopi, sparkling heart, star emojis. God bless you more, folded hands emoji. Kamakailan lang, ibinunyag ni Liza sa isang panayam na ang inspirasyon niya sa paggawa ng pangalan sa Hollywood ay ang award-winning actress na si Dolly De Leon. I was inspired by people like you who are constantly pushing the envelope, striving for greatness in everything that you do, and I wanted that for myself too. Here we are now, Miss Dolly, say ng dalaga. Inamin din ni Liza na marami siyang hinarap na pagsubok sa nakalipas na 2 taon. Pero ito rin daw ay napawi at naging worth it, nang napanood na niya ang trailer ng kanyang first Hollywood film na, Lisa Frankenstein. Samantalang Liza Soberano minumulto ng yumaong young actor na si AJ Perez. Kasabay ng pag-promote ng aktres na si Liza Soberano ng kanyang Hollywood film na, Lisa Frankenstein, inalala niya ang dating iniidolo na namayapang aktor na si AJ Perez. Para sa kaalaman ng marami, si AJ ay sumikat sa kasagsagan ng 2000s. Pero sa kasamaang palad ay nasangkot siya sa isang vehicular accident na naging dahilan ng kanyang pagkamatay noong 2011. Si AJ ay nasa edad 18 nang sumakabilang buhay. Sa YouTube video na, One Down, inungkat ng host na si Tessa Albia ang dahilan kung bakit gumawa ng Twitter account ang aktres. You started your Twitter for someone as a fangirl, can you talk a little bit about that? Tanong ni Tessa. Pagbubunyag ni Liza, gumawa siya ng Twitter account dahil nais niyang subaybayan si AJ bilang isang fan. So I was a huge fan of AJ Perez cause I have watched him in this one teleserye called Sable, and it was very unfortunate that he passed away. And that was the reason why I created my Twitter because I wanted to have some sort of memory of him, so I followed him, wika ni Liza. Kasunod niyan ay nabanggit na nga niya na matapos ang balitang pagpanaw ng aktor ay bigla na siyang nakakatanggap ng personal message mula rito. At first, I was scared of, like, checking it because I was like, what's going on, and then eventually, I came to it and then I checked the message. It was messages from his family, But it was always very scary when I would receive notifications from AJ Perez, kwento niya. Patuloy niya, but, yeah, I became friends with his younger brother, Gelo, and his family. Eventually, I was introduced to them. Chinika rin ni Liza na yung araw na namatay si AJ ay ang araw din mismo ng kanyang first ever audition upang maging artista. The day he passed away, I was on my way cause I lived in Pangasinan at that time and I actually passed by his accident and that was the day that I auditioned for the first time ever to be like an artista, sambit niya. Chika pa niya, it was crazy, I didn't know it was him, there's an ABS-CBN van and it was, like, smashed, and then I get to my VTR, and then my road manager at the time, he was like, namatay si AJ Perez, I was like, no, he can't be dead, it's not real, and then I started crying and I was like, I wanna go to his wake, and then my family was like, doesn't know you, aniya pa.